The Galaxy S25 Ultra is only a few months away from being introduced, and Samsung fans are excited to see what upgrades it will offer in terms of design and camera capabilities. However, those anticipating for big improvements in battery capacity and charging speed may be disappointed. According to Ice Universe, a trustworthy source for Samsung leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, marking Samsung's fifth straight year without significant advances in this sector. While some may find this lack of advancement disheartening, it is worth noting that Samsung's Chinese rivals have already started equipping their flagship products with bigger batteries ranging from 5200 to 6000 mAh. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra, which is slated to come next year, is rumored to include a 6000 mAh battery. This move in the market toward larger battery capacity has placed pressure on Samsung to re-evaluate its strategy in the future. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's rumored thin profile of 8.4mm may have influenced the choice to use a 5000 mAh battery. With an emphasis on retaining a slim design while supporting the amazing camera configuration and internal components, Samsung may have emphasized form factor above battery capacity, which may disappoint some consumers, but it is the delicate balance that manufacturers must maintain between innovation and practicality in smartphone design. When it comes to the camera, the device is expected to have a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 3x zoom lens, and a 5x periscope telephoto lens. This configuration is similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but there is still uncertainty about the fourth lens and whether Samsung will increase the megapixel count for zoom lenses compared to its predecessor. Oppo, on the other hand, may outperform Samsung in this regard next year with the new Find X8 Ultra, which is rumored to be slimmer and have a bigger battery than the current X7 Ultra flagship. Given the impressive camera setup of the Oppo Find flagships, which now include two optical periscope zoom lenses, the Find X8 Ultra may still be thicker than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, this may not be a disadvantage, especially if it also includes a larger battery. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.